We'll begin with your left ear. So actually look straight ahead for me, and just trying to sit normally. That's it. So the wax is quite deep. So I've got the wax out of your ear, which is occluding your ear canal. There's a thin layer of wax right over your eardrum.
Right.
I'm going to approach that very delicately. How are you feeling so far?
Okay, yeah, okay.
So let's see if we can get this thin layer off. Jackpot, I think we've got that. Just block my tube. It's just got a little bit left at the base of your eardrum. I'm going to use a different instrument to remove that. It's called a fine end, so it's designed for more delicate procedures when we're near the eardrum, and it will be a bit quieter for you. Are you feeling all right so far? So I'm just going to keep your head nice and still for this bit. I've got all that out for you. How are you feeling?
Okay.
Feel better?
Yeah, actually, yeah. That's, yeah.
Do you feel like you still got a bucket over your head?
Just on this.
On the other side,
this side. Yeah.
It's probably exacerbated the symptoms on that side.
Yeah, definitely.
So what we'll do, I'll stand you up, I'll turn the chair around, and we'll get your right ear cured, hopefully.
Yeah, sure.
Wasn't painful for you at all?
No, not at all.
Pleased to hear that.
Not at all.
Seem very relieved.
Suck it down the tube, doesn't it?
It goes down the tube and into the canister in there. Especially when it's soft wax like yours. When it's harder wax, we get big lumps that get stuck to the tip of the tube, and we can then show you on a tissue. But when this, not everyone likes to see it. But with this, it's going up the tube anyway. So it's exactly the same thing for this side. If I do come out of it, it just means that the tube is blocked, and I'm blocking it. Not too noisy for you?
No.
for you, and that's gone up the tube. And making good progress. Piece there, it's come out in a big gut. Once again, I'm happy with that. The eardrum's nice and healthy.
Yeah.
Just got a bit of wax on the edge, near the edge can sort of spread out. We don't want to get every single speck of wax out. Wax is actually quite healthy.
Yeah.
It's going to remove the blockage. How are you feeling now?
I can hear.
You feel more balanced?
Yes.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Wow. That's just so different. It is so different.
You seem a bit in shock actually.
Yeah. Well, I've been for, yeah.
It's been a few weeks you've been suffering from these symptoms,
Yes.
has it?
Yeah, and it's just got worse and worse. And
with the drops, once you've accumulated that much earwax in your ear,
right.
the drops, they don't remove the wax. It's a bit of a myth.
Yeah.
All the drops does is soften the wax or disperse it.
Right.
Drops are most commonly used prior to having ear syringing or irrigation, and that's because in order for you to have ear syringing or irrigation, the wax needs to be soft so it can be flushed out. Okay. With the technique that we use, you don't really need to use the drops. We always advise if you use it the night before, it does facilitate the procedure. Okay. When you've been using drops for as long as you have, what actually happens, the wax absorbs the drops and it expands and swells and it creates more of a blockage and it exacerbates your symptoms. So in that interim period, it can make it a bit more uncomfortable for you.
Right.
But we've got it all out.
Oh, that's great.
I'll show you on the camera.